Hey guys, so what exactly is a number and what is a numeral? So number is an abstraction. You cannot see or feel a number. A numeral, on the other hand, is tangible object or group of objects. Let's see an example. Imagine we are talking about 5 dogs. Okay, we have 5 dogs. Let's make this. Yeah, so we have 5 dogs. So this whole thing is an idea that we have 5 dogs. So this is actually a number. Okay, and this representation, this symbol here of 5 is actually a numeral. So imagine if you have 5 dogs, right? You can play with a dog, you can touch a dog. So that is a numeral. But that whole idea that I have 5 dogs, that's a number. So yeah, just remember, number is an idea, and a symbol that we use to represent that idea is a numeral. So here we are using the symbol 5, which is an idea, a representation of the idea. That's why it's called a numeral. It's a bit confusing, but don't worry about it. Next thing, if I have a number here, let's say 546, okay, so this whole thing again, let me change the color here. So this whole thing is actually a numeral, right? And these individual things here are all digits within that numeral. So digit is the singular identity in a numeral. So you can have a number something like this. All these things, this, all these things are digits of that numeral. So that's it, guys. So just remember, number is an idea, and a symbol that represents that idea is a numeral. That's it.